Creating a bash script to automate the process of backing up and restoring data or system configurations. Here's a simple example of a bash script that you can use as a starting point. We start by declaring two variables that hold the path to the directories where the files to be managed are. The createBackup function creates a timestamped backup using tar and compresses it to a .tar.gz file. The restore backup function lists available backups, prompts the user to choose one, and then restores it to the source directory. The main menu allows the user to choose between creating a backup, restoring a backup, or exiting the script. You can customize the script further, add error handling, and adapt it to your specific backup and restore requirements. Always test such scripts in a controlled environment before using them in production. Save this script to a file to filename.sh and make it executable using the chmod plus x filename. First, let's check the intended directories that the script will handle. Please comment, like and subscribe.